In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a send message button to posts. Adding a send message button to your Facebook posts is a simple way to turn casual scrollers into real conversations. It gives people a direct path to reach your business without hunting for contact details, and it helps you capture interest right when it happens. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can set it up in just a few minutes. Start by heading to business.facebook.com and selecting your page. It's easiest on a desktop browser, and you'll want to make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page, with the right permissions to create or edit posts. Once your page is open, you're in the right place. Next, click Create Post. If you already have a draft or a published post you want to update, you can open that existing post instead. The composer will let you add your text, images, or video as usual. Keep your message clear and focused so people know exactly why they should reach out. Now look for the Add button or Call to Action option in the Post Composer. Depending on your layout, it might appear beneath the text area or in the preview panel. Click it and you'll see available button choices. Choose Send Message. This option attaches a clear, tappable button to your post that tells people they can contact you right away. It's a small change with a big impact on engagement and response rates. You'll be prompted to select where messages should go. Pick Messenger or choose WhatsApp if your business number is already connected. If WhatsApp isn't connected, you'll typically only see Messenger here, and that's perfectly fine. Messenger is built in and works for most pages out of the box. Choose the channel that best matches how your audience prefers to chat with you. Once you've made your selection, finish your post. Take a moment to proofread your text, confirm the media looks good, and review how the button appears in the preview. When everything looks right, either publish to make it live immediately or schedule if you want it to go out at a specific time. Scheduling can be especially helpful if you want the post to land when your audience is most active. That's it. With the Send Message button added, people can now click and message your page directly, and you'll see those conversations in your page inbox. Respond promptly to make the most of those new leads and keep the conversation moving.